Good morning students. This is Pinky Yadav, English teacher at Suraj School Mahendragarh. So dear students, today we will learn about voice. Voice is also an important topic for 9th as well as 10th standard students. Right? So before proceeding the topic, I would like to tell you what voice is. We would like or we would discuss, we would know the definition of voice. Voice is a form of the verb. Voice is a form of the verb which tells us whether subject is doer or receiver of the action in a sentence. एक फॉर्म होती है verb की form which tells us that whether subject is doer or receiver of the action. Is a form of a verb which tells us whether subject is doer or receiver of the action in a sentence. In a sentence, it is a form of a verb which tells whether subject is doer or receiver of the action in a sentence. Right? For example, he plays cricket. He plays cricket. As I already told you that there are two types, there are two parts which are very necessary to make a sentence. That is subject, that are subject and verb. Without subject and verb we can't make a sentence because subject is doer of the action and action, verb को हम action कहते हैं, verb action word है, right? It tells us which action happen in the sentence, right? So subject, verb, and there is object. In voice we must have an object so that we can change into passive. So he is subject, plays, verb, and cricket as an object in this sentence, right? He plays cricket. Here it is verb. Verb. Plays action है sentence में. So playing का जो action है, who is doing this? Who plays? What does and what who does? कौन करता है, क्या करता है? First of all we will ask question. Plays का जो action है, question करेंगे who plays, कौन खेलता है, right? Then answer will be he. So he क्या है यहाँ पर? He is doer of the action. Playing action को करने वाला कौन है? He. So he is doer. तो subject क्या हो गया? Doer. This verb tell us that subject is doer in the sentence. इस sentence में subject जो है doer है. If you change into passive, then cricket is played by him. Then cricket क्या बन जाएगा? Receiver of the action. I will further tell you. First, let me tell about the types of voice. There are two types of voice. There are two types of voice. Two types of voice. First, active voice. Active voice. And second is passive voice. Passive voice. Dear students, what active and or passive is? Do you know? Active, inactive, which verb will be find? Which verb will be find? We find that inactive verb tells us that subject does the action. Subject is a doer of the action. Subject is a doer of the action. And in passive voice, verb tells us that verbs acts as a receiver. Verb tells us that subject acts as a receiver. In active, verb is said to be in active voice if subject is doer. But if subject is receiver of the action, then verb is said to be in passive voice. A verb which tells us subject is doer, in that sentence it means that verb is said to be in active, and in sentence if the subject is receiver, then that verb is said to be in the passive voice. So there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Right? Next we will discuss how can we change active into passive. In grammar we have to follow rules. Without rules we can't learn grammar. In spoken everything will do, but in grammar we always have to follow rules. So some basic rules. Basic rules to change active into passive. Active voice into passive. एक्टिव वॉइस इंटू पैसिव. एक्टिव को पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए वी हैव टू फॉलो सम बेसिक रूल्स. फर्स्ट, सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इंटू चेंज्ड इंटू पैसिव इंटू ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इंटू ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट is changed into subject. Object is changed into subject. And verb always, whatever verb we find in active voice, we have to change it into V third. Whatever form of verb we find in active voice, but in passive voice we have to use V third form of verb. And according to tense we have to use helping verb before main verb. And as an agent के रूप में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We will use by. These three things we will find in active voice. सब्जेक्ट भी हमें मिलेगा, ऑब्जेक्ट भी मिलेगा एंड वर्ब भी मिलेगी हमें, राइट. देन सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट. वर्ब इज ऑलवेज चेंज इनटू वी थर्ड. देन बिफोर वी थर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस वी विल यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. एंड एज एन एजेंट वी विल यूज बाय बिफोर ऑब्जेक्ट. बिफोर ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज बाय इन पैसिव वॉइस. दीज आर subject. Active voice subject will be changed into object. Active voice object will be changed into subject. And active voice verb will be changed into V third. Right? These are the some basic rules. Example. She prepares her speech. She prepares her speech. So first we have to identify which tense is this. First of all we have to, and I think that's why I have told you tense. पहले मैंने आपको टेंस पढ़ाया because without tense you can't learn voice. Voice topic is depend or is based on tense. If you don't know about tense, then you can't learn voice. So first of all we have to identify which tense is this. She prepares her speech. Here V first plus S we have found or we have got कि हमारे पास V1 है, V1 के साथ हमने क्या ऐड किया? S. So V1 हो और V plus S और ES. So हम कहाँ पर मिलते हैं हमें ये? Present indefinite tense. What is the structure for present indefinite? Subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES plus object. It is a structure for present indefinite tense. So it is a present indefinite tense. It is subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. In basic rule I told you कि subject को हम object बनाएंगे. This is subject, this is object. Object को beginning में ले आएंगे. Her speech. Her speech. Her speech is singular or plural according to subject. According to subject's form or according to subject, we will in subject or verb conjunced we will find or you will learn a rule in subject verb conjunced topic that verb always follow the subject. If subject is singular, verb also follow the subject. So subject अगर singular है तो verb भी हमारे पास यहाँ पर singular रहेगी. According to tense in passive voice before V third we have to use helping verb. So her speech singular है, then is. her speech is prepared. verb always कौन से यूज करेंगे, वी थर्ड, prepared, prepaid. And then agent, by. सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. हमने ऑब्जेक्ट का सब्जेक्ट बना दिया. देखो यहाँ से हमने ऑब्जेक्ट उठाया, यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट बना दिया. यहाँ से सब्जेक्ट उठाकर हम कहाँ ले जाएंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस. बाय सब्जेक्ट्स. सी नॉमिनेटिव केस है, सब्जेक्टिव केस है, इसका हम ऑब्जेक्टिव केस बना देंगे. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस बनाएंगे तो हर. राइट. सो इट इज एक्टिव एंड इट इज पैसिव. हाउ? बिकॉज इन दिस सब्जेक्ट इज डूअर ऑफ दिस एक्शन. प्रिपेयरिंग करने का काम कौन कर रहा है, शी. राइट. यहाँ पर ये डूअर है. एंड देन हर स्पीच इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हर. जो प्रिपेयरिंग का जो काम है वो किस पर एक्ट अपॉन है, कौन है उसको करने वाला, उनका रिसीवर कौन है, हर स्पीच इज रिसीवर. यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट कौन है, हर स्पीच. स्पीच क्या किया जा रहा है, प्रिपेयर किया जाता है किसके द्वारा, हर के द्वारा. सो यहाँ पर ये रिसीवर है, यहाँ पर ये डूअर है सब्जेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस एंड इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. राइट. Further we will discuss some other rules and how can we change according to tense. Look. Active voice and passive. In active, what structure we will find? Subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES plus object. And in passive में subject plus is MR plus V third plus by plus object. So this is the structure for active and passive voice. In active we will find always this structure in present indefinite tense, and this structure will be changed into this structure into passive, for passive. Right. So this is all for today. Further we will discuss in next video.